Hello guys, today we're gonna find the derivative of arctangents. Most of us know the derivative of arctangents as 1 divided by x squared plus 1. At the same time, most of us don't know where this expression coming from in it. So we're gonna prove where this expression coming from in it. First of all, let's approach this arctangent x as a function. Let's say y is equal to arctangent x, so we are going to find the derivative of this function dy arc tangent x with respect to the x, right? So we're looking for the derivative of our y, as we can see here, but we don't know how to find arctangent x. Here is the point that we don't know arctangent x well than the tangent x. So we have to replace our arctangent x, as you can see here, by the tangent x, because we know how to find the derivative of tangent x. So let's do it. Let's get tangent for both sides in our function. Tangent y is equal to tangent arc tangent x, okay? And tangent y is equal to just x here, right? So let's find the derivative of this function we just get here with respect to the y, okay? We know how to find the derivative of tangent functions. So 1 divided by cosine square y is equal to derivative of x with respect to the y, because we found this function, the derivative of this function with respect to the y, okay? Actually, we found our derivative of arctangent x, because we can see here that we're looking for the derivative of y with respect to the x, but we found here the derivative of x with respect to the dy. Actually, this is the inverse, right? If we get inverse version of this expression, this derivative, then we found our derivative of our derivative of arctangent x, right? So let's do it. Let's get the inverse version of it. So what we have here, dy divided by dx is equal to cosine square y. But we don't want y here. We want something x here, right? So let's get the cosine y by using x. We know that tangent y is equal to x, right? So let's get our bisecular triangle, so we can find our cosine y with using this expression function, as we can see here, right? Let's call the one of angle by y, and this one give us just x due to this x besides 1, and we can find the hypotenuse by using this category x squared plus 1 due to bisecular theorem. Let's find cosine y by using this triangle. So besides size is 1 divided by our hypotenuse, as we can see here, the roots of x squared plus 1. So we found our cosine y here, but we want it squared version, right? Because we found our derivative as cosine squared y. So let's get the square root of this cosine y we found here. 1 divided by roots of x squared plus 1 all square, and this one is just give us dy divided by dx is equal to 1 divided by, not just square, not, because this square 2 take this one. So what we have here, just x squared plus 1, right? So we found our derivative of actual arctangent x. What is the derivative of arctangent x? It is the 1 divided by x squared plus 1. Yep. This is the answer, just we found the derivative for the derivative of arctangent x. See you next videos. Bye.